Good morning. This is Zorina Spice. This morning I would like to show you how I'm making some nice seasoned hamburger. Quick and easy for lunch or whatever you feel like. But I'm going to show you how delicious it is. Here I have some hamburger beef, some ground beef, and I'm making some spicy hamburger here. So here I have some onion, some tarragon, some cilantro, some pepper, some garlic, some oregano, and you could use any seasoning I got, but you know, a little spicy sandwich with some salt, and we're gonna make some nice hamburger. So I'll show you in a little bit how I chop everything up and do it. So here I chop up everything here to put in the hamburger. This is the ground beef, so I'll be adding everything in. But before I do that, I'm going to grate this garlic in too. So I put it directly into the hamburger. With this amount of beef, I use like 3 cloves of garlic. Now I'll be adding in all the other rest of. So everything is here nicely seasoned. I'll be adding about, I would say about a tablespoon of salt. But salt go according to taste. So this I think would be enough for this amount. And we add some black pepper. And I had some freshly chopped pepper in there, very thinly sliced. All the seasoning thinly sliced. Then you mix it all up. So here I mix up all the seasoning and I put it in the hamburger. I already mix it up nice. So it look all good. So now I'll be making like some patty with that. And I'll show you how I do the patty. So here is the beef, well seasoned. So I'm gonna make some patty with this now. Depends, you go and make it thin, light, small. But I'll be making like a 1/4 pound, this size of a patty. So this is how I do it. I don't have a patty set, but I'm gonna do it with my hand. So this way I'll show you how I do it with my hand. So this is how I do it with my hand. Now this is how I do it with my hand. I make another one for you to see how I do it. You could make any size, some smaller, larger. It all depends how thick you want. But if you look into this ground beef, you could notice all the seasoning that I put inside. Looks so good and smells so good. So this is it. I make 2 of them here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook them, and you'll see when I finish how to make the hamburger. So now I put my pan on and it's nice and hot. Now I'll be cooking the hamburger. So I'm going to put it in a hamburger there. This is it. Now I'm going to lower the heat down because the pan is very hot at this moment. So I'm turning it now. There's a lot of seasoning into this burger. Give it a nice taste. So I'll let it cook. Well, let's see. I think this burger is finished. I'm gonna check it now. Let me check it. I press it down like this and I check it. See the juice has a little, you want to cook a little more. So, almost finished. They are nice and done. It's medium finished there, but you could cook it more. But at this way, it's juicy to eat it this way. So I'll be taking it out. So here's the bread. I'm going to turn it now, see how it toasts. Okay, getting very nice. Okay, so I think this is ready. I'll take it out now and make the sandwich. So here I have my bread that toasts, hamburger there, somebody mayonnaise. I'll show you how to make this delicious sandwich. See, the beef is well seasoned, so the beef has such a flavor inside, a lot of flavor. So we put a little mayo on it. You put how much you like. If you want plenty, you put plenty. But these, by the way, these you could use any kind of bread, but these are like a chalia roll. So this is like very tasty bread too. Give it a lot of flavor. These are not regular hamburger bread. Anyway, so I did a little thinly slice here because first I'm gonna put some lettuce on it. Farm a bed on this lettuce. So chopped up lettuce. Then I put the burger on. I put some tomato. These are fresh tomato. You could also add some ketchup if you like. Yeah, I have ketchup, but I'm not gonna put the ketchup because I like it with the fresh tomato. But you could add some ketchup on top, optional, and some hot sauce if you care. But this is how it look. I'll leave it like this. So but you could put some ketchup on it, and that would be. So this is my hamburger sandwich. You have to try it this way and see how delicious it tastes. Most important is the seasoning in the beef that give it the flavor. So this is how it look. I hope you guys this is Zorina Spice. Thank you guys for looking. I want you to try my hamburger and you'll tell me back how tasty this hamburger is, but you need that seasoning to give it a flavor. So I want to say goodbye now. I hope you have a beautiful day and thanks for watching.